is Dan Stein, and I'd like to introduce you to the Content Specialty Test Students with Disability Workshop. The benefits of this workshop is that there's a method to increase scores on the New York State Teacher Certification Exam, students with disabilities, on the part of Toro students, and there's no effort on the part of Toro instructors. Here's how it works. So we created a Content Specialty Test Students with Disabilities Workshop Training Exam. We call it an exam, and the exam is broken into 4 main areas and 17 skills as defined by the New York State Department of Education, or Education Department. And each question has assistance in the form of links. Okay, so the students are directed to take the exam by their course instructor and told that the grade will be factored into their course grade. Students like the idea of taking the test multiple times, which they can, but the questions are randomized. So each time the student takes the exam, the questions will change and the student is exposed to new material. All the answers are contained in all the questions. All the answers are in all the questions, and they can be found with links. When they're finished, the student will get a certificate, which is automatically emailed or can be emailed to their professor. Let's see how we have a series of questions divided into 17 skills, all with the sub-areas as defined by the New York State Education Department. We'll show you that. As a matter of fact, let's do it right now. So here it is. Take an example of Skill 1. The sub-area is understanding and evaluating students with disabilities. There are questions. If we click on any of these, you're going to see a link. The link will pop, and therefore we can see information regarding low birth weight. Let's close that. Okay, so now we want to see the actual exam. Let's go there. So here's the actual exam. Professor Stein, I'm going to type in John Doe. Toro ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take the quiz. Okay, I'm just going to choose some answers here, but each of these again is a link. I'll choose attention span. Submit my answer. The answer is correct. If I scroll down on the exam, oh, missed it. If I scroll down on the exam, you'll be able to see the sub-area. Let's go to the next question. Okay, question 2, low birth rate. It's one we had from before. Okay, again, it's correct. We'll go to the next question, and we have a video to go along with the answers here. Let's see. So we can click this. The video is a learning tool, and you can hear that there's voice at the same time.
I've been teaching for over 12 years, and we had a particular student in our class who was very pushy, very competitive, and always, running in front.
Okay, so the student is learning while completing the exam to get a high score. Let's try this one. And we hit submit. Oh, got the wrong one here. Okay, and hit the next question. Okay, let's try one more. Submit the answer. This is wrong. You notice as you go down, it'll tell you your answer, and it'll tell you the right answer as well. Student learns that way too. Hit next. I get a certificate. Notice it says John Doe. That certificate can be emailed to the professor. So let's do it to dstein@toro.edu. And I'm going to say that it comes from the student's email. There it is. It can be a note, and hit send. This certificate is emailed to me as a professor. Thank you.